In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on location services on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll all the way down until you find Privacy and Security. Just get into it, and here at the top of the screen you can easily find location services. Just tap on that, and if for some reason this feature disabled on your device, just simply hit at that switcher to enable it. So from now, location services are enabled on your device, but if you are still having problems with some specific app, all you have to do is go down and find that app in that apps list. So let's say I'm having problems with Instagram app, so I can get into Instagram, and here I may check that allow location access feature switch to while using the app, and the precise location feature is enabled. If it's disabled, just hit at that switcher to enable it. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.